Hey everybody, I'm so excited. Welcome to my first kind of new YouTube series. Not a tutorial, the inspiration that goes into also some really satisfying color mixing, maybe a little scraping. First of all, I use a lot of color in my cakes, but today I'm only going to use two, maybe three colors. A white and cobalt blue cake. I can't wait to show you how it turns out. So today I'm working with kind of a smaller white cake, just a 2-tier, different shades, or not different shades, but different hues of blue. The spray might be a very light blue and then go towards something a little bit more dramatic in the center. Maybe I want a little bit more contrast. So what I'm gonna do is actually start with a navy blue on the outside with the spray and then get lighter on the inside. First, I'm gonna take my regular royal blue color. I'm gonna add a drop of that. I'm also gonna take my coal black color, add a drop of that. Let's see what we get. Oh, that's looking like a very nice navy blue. We'll see if it's dark enough when it all comes out. That's looking quite nice, actually. Let me get a little bit more. A little bit more mixed. There we go. Beautiful. Love this color. Now I'm gonna want to make some lighter colors from this color. Take some of my white buttercream and add a little bit of this darker color to it. And here we have a really nice lighter color as well. I think I might add a little bit more blue in some of my future colors for this cake, but so far, so good. Now I have my spray. I think it's time to do roses next. I'm thinking roses, maybe a few little something else here and there, but we'll start with roses. First of all, I do want to make these colors a little bit more blue. So we'll be adding some blue to each one of these two colors that I made. Now's the time where I add my finishing touches, and when I mean finishing touches, I mean I cover up all my happy little mistakes or things that look just a little bit messy. So here we go. We're gonna put some cute little flowers here. Oh man, all those mistakes just went away. For step-by-step tutorials of how I made this cake, please go to my website, 10bloomcakes.com. In the top menu, you will see links for online tutorials as well as in-person workshops. I travel the country teaching people how I do what I do in person, but I also have my content available online for you if you can't make it to one of those workshops. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Just look up at 10bloomcakes. Be sure to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. That way I can create more content for you. I look forward to seeing you next time.